My dad's 1996 Jaguar XK8 has an engine misfire. He has had the ECU rebuilt, new spark plugs, coils and ignition modules was no joy, and we now believe the problem is with the ignition control module plugs. The pictures are not particularly clear, but hopefully you can see the gaps are too wide and therefore not making contact. My dad ordered new plugs and pins, but due to seriously restricted space, he has decided to rebend the existing pins to close the gaps, and the first step is removing the white piece, and this just pops out. There is a plastic locating pin that needs bending out and pushing the pin at the same time to release it. It's very difficult to do, so plenty of patience is required, but you'll soon get the hang of it. Once out, my dad pushes the pin up the inside from the bottom to bend the sprung tab, and also uses small pliers to close the gap, which seems to do the job nicely. You will see here before the pin is rebent that its fitment to the ignition control module is very loose, and that's why we believe this is a problem. That's sloppy. As I said before, there is just no space to work, and my dad reckons it's like painting the hallway with the only access being through the letterbox. Not sure if you can tell, but now that it's rebent, it grabs the pin nicely and you can hear it click off. We are trying to show the difference between new and old, however the new pins have a smaller gap. These are the new plugs, and so far not required because what we have done has fixed the car. Hopefully this video will help you if you have a similar problem. Have a look at the other Jaguar videos on my channel to see what work my dad has done on this car. It's a lot and they may also help you. Thanks for watching.